In this video, we're going to look at mirror groups, what they are and when we can use them. So we developed this full tree of a hydraulic pump that does not start, so hydraulic pump failure, and it's more or less completed. And what we want to do, we want to explore a specific part of it. So we just go onto normal view. And if we scroll across, we want to concentrate on this element. This HYPF11 is a damaged seal, and underneath here we also got a worn out seal. Now we've got a function that is a Weibull function. 3.54 is the beta and 26,200 is the eta. So we got the same failure distribution, and we haven't actually indicated that this, for example, referred to a specific seal and these others refer to another specific seal. So we can only come to the conclusion that this is a generic damage seal function, failure distribution, and therefore we're wondering whether actually by putting in two independent events, like in this case, it actually makes sense. So what we can do, we can replace, we can use one of these element and then mirror it down here onto the other element. Okay. So to do that, we'll have basically one generic damage seal that happens to occur in other part of the system. Now it cannot occur here, even though we got another damage seal, because this one is a dynamic gate and we won't be able to put in a mirror block into a dynamic gate. So, but we can do it for those two. So to create a mirror block, we go to project and we create a mirror group manager. We open the mirror group manager and we create a new mirror group. So we call that damage seal. Okay, so this is going to be a group that is going to include those two blocks. So the first one is selected and we add it to the mirror group, and we go and select the second one and we also add it to the mirror group. So now those two blocks are inserted into the mirror group manager damage seal, and we can perhaps make some little changes. The colors, we're going to put in a red, and that is going to be a downward diagonal, and we just okay. So this is going to be the symbol that indicates that this block is actually mirrored here. So what will happen, there will be just one function, a damage seal, and it will occur in different parts of the diagram. So we can see that. Okay, we select the block and we set the block as failed, and we can see that by setting the block, the top, the damage seal failed, that is repeated also on the other block. So this is how we can create a mirror block, and for elements that occur in different parts of the system, and they're not individually labeled as independent event, but it is a generic event that is repeated in different parts of the system. And then of course we can analyze the results and see what is the result at top level. Okay, so in this case we got a probability of failure of 1 at 2000, because of course this is already damaged. So if we take this out and we recalculate, then we can see what is the results at, say, for example, 2,500 hours. And that's it.